Hi, my name is Mrs. Abbott. I am your student's 8th grade math teacher this year. Some of my classes have Mr. Crowder, so you'll have 2 teachers in the class. We are available every Monday through Thursday at lunch after 12:20. That gives students 15 minutes to go get their lunch, eat their lunch, use the restroom, and then it gives us 20 minutes to work with them on their quizzes. Our expectations are to never give up. We like to make mistakes, to be kind and respectful, and I say help me help you, because we expect good open communication with our students so we can better help them learn in the class. They can be practicing at home. There's practice assignments assigned every day. There's Khan Academy videos they can go watch if they need extra help. And there's also, after our diagnostic on iReady, there will be a personalized math lessons for them to help them grow where they are. Here's our contact information. Here's my email address, Mr. Crowder's email address, the school phone number. The best way to get a hold of us is email or Teams messages. Parents, if you message us through your student's Teams page, like their Teams account, make sure you say, hi, this is so-and-so's parent, because otherwise we're expecting it to be your child talking to us. So let us know if it's you talking to us or your student. Our supplies, we need a notebook, binder, folder, pencil. The computer and charger is definitely needed every day at class. Some students prefer to write on paper. That's still okay, but it's definitely like we need that computer and charger at school. Grading looks a little different this year. The 8th grade math team is testing this out. We are solely grading students on their tests, and it's really just quizzes. So we are just doing quizzes. Quizzes happen once a week. So every Friday we have a quiz. They are 8 to 10 questions long. Any quiz given or anything that's graded can be retaken as many times as the student wants until the end of the quarter. So they can always, and there's no penalty, whenever they can get it in, they can get it in. Whenever they can come in and redo it, they can redo it. There's no late penalty. If they got an F, they come in and fix it, they can go to an A+. So there's no excuses to have poor grades. We are here every day during the week, except for Fridays. Late absent work, if you are absent, they have to make up the work or keep up with the class stuff, that's the lesson that happened. I'll be going into more detail about that. But like I said, they can submit anything that they want as many times as they want until they get the grade that they would like. Cell phones, we don't need them except for we use them for calculators. We just ask that to use it respectfully, and when we say when we allow it, we ask that they ask for permission before they use it. Our policy is kind of like 3 strikes, you're out. We ask you put it away once. Okay. Ask you put it away twice. All right, you're getting close. 3 times we take the phone, and then they'll get it back after class. Unless it happens multiple times, then we'll have to put it to the office where you will pick it up. Okay, so now more specific. So we gave this out to students. They have a physical copy of this with them. This is also on Teams. So it says, what happens if I did poorly on my quiz? It says this is the missing from class one, sorry. Let's do that one then. You are missing from class. So with COVID happening, your student might be home from school. Whether they got COVID, somebody in the family got COVID, something happened, or maybe they're just sick. For some reason, you went home. But your student has different options they could do. So here's a list of what you could do. You're going to look at these and see which one you want to do. So you could send me an email, and we can get you all set and figured out. Send me a message on Teams. Every day there's messages there are assignments posted daily in Teams that they can do online. There are teacher videos. I make videos, how-to videos for students to look at. or just videos that I find that are apply to that lesson. This will be on Teams. I sent home with all students a practice workbook and a textbook that they can follow along with the daily lessons. You can go to Khan Academy videos, you can look up YouTube videos, and like I said, it is best to take the quiz. So it's best that we do quizzes not online. We don't do those like online for now. We do want them to be done in class and on campus. So it is best to take the quizzes you missed when you return and feel ready to show your skills. You can always take them multiple times if needed. So that's what happens when you miss school. This is what happens. This is the same thing. I messed up on my test. Now what do? I just got a test or a quiz returned in my math class. It has a score that I do not like and definitely do not want to count against me. So what do I do now? You can review the test. So you can look at notes, get help from somebody, get help from teachers, ask help in class from friends. You can do the practice problems. You can use a practice book. You can you work through the textbook. You can look at Khan Academy videos, YouTube videos, and my videos that are online. After you do one or more of these ideas, you can come in at lunch and redo your quiz. That is Monday through Thursday from 12:20 to 12:40 during lunch. And these are some good practices, good practice skills, I guess, to have for the next quiz. So take notes, ask questions when they're not clear, read over your notes, work on practice work at home, get help before the quiz, participate in class, and keep trying again and again to get that score that you want. So I look forward to working with you. Please email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to getting to know you and your students this year. Have a great night. Bye.